Hello. Okay, so as you can see, I am recording this right now, and well, this is just kind of our shed, whatever it is, and these are all our tractors. Kind of shiny. So we have quite the collection, but right now I'm showcasing this wheel horse. This is probably a nice tractor up there to our Farmall. Now we have a nice Farmall H, really old. For some reason, someone stuck a Massey Ferguson sticker on there. We've never had any trouble except the carburetor. It was messed up, so we fixed that. This wheel horse, we only had to replace the starter. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna check the camera real quick. Yes, you can. Right here, the starter, made in China, junky. We used to have a real nice old one. It would start so nicely until it went bad. So we had to get this one. And well, this thing does run. There's this nice stick shift, and well, as you can see, spark plug. We have a spark plug right. It's really. This one's a lot different. It's a Cooler 19 engine, so it's right in there. So everything's real different. It's not like a Briggs and Stratton, anything like that. So this is a lot different, and it's a nice one. 16 horse, and it can pull an enormous log. I was just pulling logs for a while today until it started pouring down rain. And right now I'm just sitting out under this overhang. So now it's not as wet. So yeah, I'm gonna get it started to show you guys. It loves a joke. So as you can see, it runs. Idle's nice too. Has a cab, custom made. Right here we got an older wheel horse. So we have quite the collection of wheel horses. This one is very, very old. Junky. This is a fake engine. What is not fake? Why did I say that? Not fake. It's just a Chinese stupid engine. It used to have a real nice wheel horse cooler till someone messed it up. Also stick shift. As you can see, they had to add a new throttle because the old one didn't work. So here you go. You can take a nice look around this one. I'll showcase the entire one. Here you can see the belt. Here is where the old one went. Brake doesn't work right. This doesn't have a brake. It's not good. And you can see that one compared to that one. Here, let me back up here so you can see both of them. Look at that. Look how different. Isn't that crazy? Now here's one that doesn't run right now. It was running. Let's get this tarp off of here. This is a Husqvarna. Really, really old garden tractor. Lawn tractor, as you can see. Now, I know you guys are wondering, what is the difference between a lawn tractor and a garden tractor? One thing is weight. Now, let me show you this. Okay, let's see if I can mount this somewhere. This isn't working out. It's sideways. I'm sorry, I'm using an iPad. Don't judge me. I don't have any fancy camera Well, I do have one, but it's not here. Okay, one thing is weight. Watch this. So I can lift that, tilt it around. Well, I'm not doing it all the way because that thing has a terrible grip. Ow! Dang, it fell. Here's a wheel horse. Do I even have to show? Can't lift it. I did this before. I can only push it because it's a stick shift. It's in neutral. So those are these two. That one, the engine just blew up, sadly. Gotta get a new one. It was a nice one. We mowed with it for 1 year. And then the electric clutch went bad. So, oh my gosh, don't run away from me, wheel horse. Jeez, look over, it's running away. Right now we're mowing with, I don't know if you can see it up there, it's a different wheel horse. We have chicks. See the chicks? And there's the other wheel horse. It's a what's it called? Yeah, what kind? It is a Toro wheel horse. Now we're gonna go for another trip. Can I mount you guys on the steering wheel? I don't know how long this will stay, but you are on the steering wheel. Hear how horrific that starter is? Yeah. It's working. Nope, that's not working out. I'm sorry. We have chickens, but they're out and about. Hear how loud that is? I'll say everything I say unless you get off it. Too loud. Sorry, when I crack the south button on. As you can see, he finds the hole real easily. Now that's just when you throw around the leg, it will pop. So it's not engine blowing up. I'm glad about that. These cooler engines, the engine is meant to blow up. They're not made like that, so can't. The thing doesn't have a parking brake, unlike this one. Aha, here's the other wheel horse. You can see it's Toro. Yay. Pretty nice. I prefer the old ones. You can only get them at an auction. Also, Toros. Toro made engine. Was a lot faster. This one's parking brake works. It's automatic to lift this up and down. Here. See, I just let it down. And well, it's off. Here we got a really old Simplicity. Now this we mowed for several years straight. My brother drives it, and he's a little kid, so he uses that block on the, right back there. It's my dirt bike. I'll get a better showcase of that soon. Right now we're focusing on the big wheel horse. Really. Big muffler. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, here's our Simplicity truck. This is also a nice one. Electric clutch one now, so we can't mow with it anymore. But this one still works fine. It's a nice one, it pulls. They have a little block in there. See, we tricked out the starter. See that? Right there. Tricked out the seat switch. Yeah, right now, it's missing its headlights. It's terrible. Feel. And my dirt bike. It's a nice Honda engine. It's been running for 3 years. So it's actually like 12 years old. Here is a Craftsman. This thing is hot trash. Now I don't mean the Craftsman brand. I mean my uncle. What he did to it. This thing's old. It's all rusted up. What did he do to it? And we can't even get the dent out. Pop the hood. We just put this engine in. Runs just 25 miles per hour. and it's a lawnmower. We have to turn it over every single time because it never wants to start. And then we have Farmo back there, but I don't want to go out in the rain and ruin my iPad when I'm not on a cab. So I'll save that for a different video. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. So see you guys. I'm sorry you can't see me, man. Because it's dark. See ya. Well, before we go, I'll show you the chicks. They're pretty cute. Oh, someone's coming down the road. Who has a bad car? Chickadees! 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 Hi. Hi, girls. Hi. What are you gonna say? Say something to the camera before we go and end it off. Oh, is that right? You told them to hit the like button. Wow. Oh, see? That chirping, I use a translator. It says, hit that like button. Well, I'm going to end it off here. If you guys enjoyed, I already said that back there. So, see ya.